Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called evaluate reverse Polish notation. So let's read it. Evaluate the value of an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation. Valid operators are plus, minus, into, and divide. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. Note that division between two integers should truncate towards zero. It is guaranteed that the given RPN expression is always valid. That means the expression would always evaluate to a result and there will not be any division by zero operation. Okay, so we've been given a reverse Polish notation and we need to evaluate that. Now, what is a reverse Polish notation? So I'll tell you what first a Polish notation is. A Polish notation is something which is similar to uh, prefix notation. So how we have prefix notation. So it is something very similar. It is the prefix notation. Now, when we reverse that, it becomes a postfix notation. Now, when we see here, so 2, 1 plus 3 and into. Now, this is the vector that has been given to us. Now, the first string is a number, second string is a number, and third string is a operator. Now, this is what a postfix notation denotes. So, therefore, the operation for this would be 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So, you can see here 2 plus 1 is the operation. Now, we go to the next number, which is 3. So, 3 is a number. Then we come to a operator into. So, therefore, we do 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 3, which is 9. So what is the intuition behind this problem is that whenever we encounter a operator, we perform the operation, and whenever we don't encounter a operator, we encounter a number. At that time, we push it into a, a, a data structure, which will help us to take it back and perform the operation. So that's what is there in the other example. And in the third example, we can see we have negative also. So we need to take care of the negative condition too. So I'll be maintaining a stack. So this is a very basic and a standard problem of stack. How you can understand that is by knowing that you can pop the last two elements and then perform an operation. So therefore, a stack would be the best to pop the last two element and get the operation done. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Let's code this. So first, we are going to maintain a stack of st. Then I'm gonna iterate through the whole string tokens, whole vector. Sorry. Now, first condition that we check now is that if s dot size is greater than 1, okay, if s dot size is greater than 1 or is digit s of 0, then we uh, push it in the stack. Okay, push, we convert it into integer also, stoi, and we push it in the stack. So what is s dot size greater than 1? So when it is only single digit 4, at that time we directly push it into the stack. All right, otherwise if the size is greater than 1, okay, size is greater than 1, at that time we also need to check its condition, that what if the element has a another sign attached to it, then we need to identify that. Okay, so for that we will be checking that if only if we have an operator, sorry, if only we have a number, then only push in the stack. Otherwise, if we have a negative number or okay, this is only specifically for negative number, at that time we need to handle that case. Okay, so I'm going to show how we're going to handle that case. So first we come to only single digit number. So if we have a single digit number, we push it in the stack, otherwise we not. Then we check, we remove the top two elements. So x2 is equal to st dot top and do st dot pop, and auto x1 is equal to st dot top and st dot pop. Okay, then we create a switch condition. Now switch will be handling all the operation. So switch of s of 0. Now whatever the operations are, so first we come to case where we have a plus sign. At that time we will be doing x1 plus x2, and then we will break. Okay, now we come to the second one, which is a negative sign, and we do x1 minus x2, then break. Case 3 where we have multiplication, at that time we do x1 into x2. Okay, and then okay, break. And then case 3, which is division, at that time we do x1 divide by x2, x2, and then we break. Now we are storing all the values in x1 because we need to push it back in the stack, right? Because after the operation we also need to push it back in the stack for the next operation to perform. So for that we will be coming here and pushing it in the x1 into the stack. Okay, now this will go on till consider the whole operation O of n, which is the length of the whole tokens. Okay, now coming back to minus 11. So minus 11, we have the first character as minus. So therefore we will be going in the switch case, and then we have minus condition, and that will perform x1 minus x2, which is the operation that we need to perform here. Okay, so this will be handling our case for that, and then we simply come out of the loop and return st dot top. So this will handle all the cases. Let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. Yes. Yes, that is acceptable. So running through the code again. So what was the intuition is that whenever we encounter a number, we put it in the stack. Otherwise, we perform the operation. So that's what we did here. So if it's a number, a single digit number, then we put it in the stack. Otherwise, we check if whatever operations are there for the operator or character 0, we perform those operation, and then we put all of those operation in x1, and then we push the x1 in the stack for another operation which is going to come ahead. And then after all of these operation, we simply return st.top, which is at the end, which is the answer that we need. Okay, so I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it, and do like and share my video, and subscribe to my channel. I post Leetcode videos, questions, may Leetcode challenge videos every day. So yes, thank you.